Hello and welcome to Inkscape for Teachers. In this tutorial I'll continue the egg drawing and show how to add a bit of a random speckle to the egg like these brown dots here. So I'll start with let's say this egg, Control C, and let's go across, Control V. That's the egg we wish to speckle. I'll start with the ellipses tool and just drag a small ellipse. In fact I'll zoom in and with the select tool make sure it's quite small in comparison to the egg. If I zoom out, that looks like enough of a speckle size. I'll fill that with a dark brown. I'll remove the stroke by shift clicking that red cross, and there's the basic ellipse I'll use for the speckle. Control C to place that on the clipboard. Then let's go over here, select the spray tool and notice the settings that I have here. The width, the amount, 2010, scale of 50, it's the variation in the size, rotation 100 means there could be any orientation, and these other settings here. And then just simply spray a bit around, however you want, something like that, and that'll probably be okay at a low magnification level. You probably wouldn't tell they're ellipses. But let's randomise those a bit with the tweak tool. If I click on, well, first of all select tool and select all these, then the tweak tool, and again note the settings, the width, the force. You can play around with these to see what they do. This icon here, push and pull in any direction and so on. And then just drag over, click and drag. You see I'm sort of randomising, pushing them in, doing all sorts of distorting effects. Sometimes you can get something you don't want, but you can delete individual bits, for example, say this one. Anyway, once you're happy, drag a marquee around those, and you can drag them onto a portion of the egg, something like that. Excuse me. Drag that little spot up. You can do more, of course. Depends how much of the egg you want to speckle. I wanted to drag over them, it's a bit hard at the moment. Control Z. So what you can do is if you click on the egg and open the object properties dialog box, Control Shift 0, lock that so it doesn't get moved, and then you can drag around a few more of the speckles, Control C, and then click somewhere else, Control V, add them somewhere else on the egg. I should add that to unlock the egg for moving or editing, you can go to Object, Unlock All, and do that. Also, if you wanted to change the size of the speckles, you can just select them and Control Shift M to bring up the transform dialog, and scale, but ensure that scale proportionally and apply to each object separately are ticked, and you can apply that. If I do that, you can see that the speckles reduce in size, and that might be something that you want to do. So there's a way of speckling an egg, and I hope that gave you some more information, I guess, about the spray tool and the tweak tool. Thanks for watching.